Down in Louisiana, we don't have stab and grabs, we have crab and grabs. 99.9% chance of there being a really good deli in here. So let's grab some breakfast. Not disappointed. Tacos? What kind of tacos?
You can open it. There's some kind of balls.
Boudin balls. Alright, so for the unboxing, we got boudin balls, which is, if you've never had boudin, it's basically a rice sausage in a casing. Boudin balls are usually when you're done making the boudin and you got some left over, make it into little balls and you fry it. So I'm going to do the honors of biting into one. They're only probably about 100 degrees. Or
no,
1,000.
they're not that hot. Well, they're hot, but they're not that hot. You want me to bite into it?
Sure.
Oh. Mmm.
So that's what you got in there. Some rice, beef, probably there's sometimes there's pork, liver, onion, paprika, some spices. How spicy is it?
It's spicy.
Is it real spicy?
It's spicy.
All right.
You might not be able to eat it.
And then on the other side,
It's spicy.
we got a sausage sandwich.
It's good though.
Sliced sausage sandwich.
Greasy.
And they had brisket tacos, and they had some other stuff in there too, some brisket sandwiches. But I figured we'd just be best. We're going with the sausage sandwiches.
We're starving.
I'm very starving.
We're starving.
Look at that guy, yummy goodness.
This is homemade.
Yes, it is.
It's good.
All right, so there we are at this stab and grab. This one is called
You forget
the
how
Crab and Go. So yep, the Crab and Go in Sulphur, Louisiana. All right, we're gonna eat now.